Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Brandon Davidson from Davidson Audio and I had a mutual client with an Indian Challenger that came up, and he got the complete plug-and-play kit from Brandon. He stopped by so we could help him with the tune. He took the advantage of the fact that Brandon and I would be together in the same shop on the same day and rode up from Maryland to New Jersey, and I think we made it worth his time. So he did a flawless job installing Brandon's plug-and-play kit. All we had to do was get the tune dialed in. So we switched out the 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the lids on my recommendation, and that and a little adjustment in the tune made a huge difference in the way the thing sounds. So it was 800.4 Evo Power Sport sound digital amp, Rockford DSP, Cicada CH 6.5 in the fairing, and we ended up upgrading the 8s in the lid to Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers. When I previously spoke to the client, I was trying to convince him to do 8s in the bags, but he didn't want to give up the bag space. So running with the 8s in the lid and adjusting the tune did the trick. It gave him enough low-end output to where he wasn't considering doing woofers in the bags anymore, so it worked out really, really good. Brandon makes an amazing kit. I've watched him install it his way. He showed me why he does the things that he does, and he's super meticulous. And the kit that he's designed for these Indian motorcycles, the fit and finish is second to none. He gasket tapes everything, runs a spacer, knows exactly where to modify the pods. He actually plastic welds the pods closed, and it makes a huge difference in the sound. Like the mid bass up front is really, really good. I have to warn you though, if you order his kit, please make sure that you are savvy and handy with power tools, because unlike our Harley kits, which any novice can install, these Indian kits do require a higher level skill set. It's just the bikes are just harder to work on. The Indian motorcycle, I don't care what Brandon tells you, the Indian motorcycles are a lot harder to work on than the Harley motorcycles. There's a lot more moving parts, everything's more compact. But his kit, if you're considering ordering one of his kits, make sure that you go on his YouTube and watch the entire video and the instructions. He walks you through every step by step. And then if you feel confident enough to do it yourself, go ahead and order the kit. If you don't feel comfortable enough to do it yourself, you can either see me in New Jersey, I'm an authorized dealer for his kits, or you can see him in Florida. But this bike, his kit installed, customer did the entire install himself. The only thing Brandon and I did was tune the bike. So you tell us how you think it sounds. I think it sounds phenomenal for a 4-speaker bike on less than 800 watts. No permanent modifications to the bike. Using Brandon's kit, everything is plug and play. I think the bike sounds phenomenal. It's something I'm definitely gonna be adding to my arsenal, because for a 4-speaker bike on less than 800 watts, I think this thing sounds great. So check out the build.
Ass, punk ass, trick ass, suck ass, fuck ass, dick in the boot ass, KY jelly packing ass, nigga. You better get your bitch ass up off the street, nigga. You got 5 seconds to get your hating ass up out here, cause there's some trill ass niggas in this motherfucker. Yeah, nigga, y'all know the motherfucking scope. Y'all non-snorters, non-smokers, non-sippers. Get the fuck up out of here, bitch. Nigga, some sipping ass, pouring up ass, smoking ass, getting high ass niggas in here, 3-6. UGK, nigga, we putting it down in this motherfucker. And we ain't playing with you. Y'all know the motherfucking scope, ho. Now pull it up, nigga. Dippin' on some scissors. Dippin' on some dippin' on some scissors. 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 I'm real, working the wheel. A pimp, not a simp. My brain's liquor. I straight flipper. The cheese like the pancake. Falling from cheese like the leaves in my handbreaker. Project Hunter, attracting bad pizzas. I'm dirty sucker. Reach way, gold teethers. I'm out here making sense, cause I'm out here making dollars. I keep a bad bro, dog, and I'm top dollars. Dipping on some scissors. Dipping on some scissors. Dipping on some scissors. Dipping on some scissors. Dipping on some
walking the wheel. A pimp, not a simp. Keep the dope fiends higher than the Goodyear blimp. We eat so many shrimp. I got